Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the psychiatric subpanel within the general examination form. Psychiatry involves the study, diagnosis, and treatment of mental illnesses. A psychiatrist is a practitioner who works with individuals struggling with mental illness and is able to provide personalized treatment plans, such as prescribing necessary medications or leading patients through therapeutic discussions. In this video, we will start on an open general examination form on a clinical case screen. For more information regarding the general examination form, please refer to the General Examination Overview User Manual linked in this video's description. On a general examination form, click on the Review of Systems panel. The Review of Systems panel will expand. Click on a Psychiatric Subpanel. The Psychiatric Subpanel will expand. We will now go over the various buttons displayed within the Psychiatric Subpanel. Click on the ADD button once to indicate that the patient has been consulted for ADD. The ADD button will turn green, which is an indication of normal results. Attention Deficit Disorder or ADD is a diagnosis given to patients who are characterized by inattentiveness, distractibility, and various other mannerisms. Click on the ADD button a second time, which turns the button red. The red is an indication that results were logged within the button and is not longer within normal range. Click on the General Notes text box, which is a free text field to make any necessary notes. Click on the ADD button for a third time to deselect the ADD button and collapse all of the information captured within it. Please note that the button behavior demonstrated will apply to all the buttons within the Psychiatric Subpanel. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder or ADHD is a diagnosis given to patients who are characterized by hyperactivity, forgetfulness, and various other mannerisms. Anxiety is a normal emotion that arises in stressful situations, however, can become abnormal when a patient has excessive amounts of anxiety that affects their daily lives. Bipolar disorder is characterized by a patient having manic and depressive episodes that consists of extreme emotional highs followed by intense emotional lows. Prolonged feelings of intense emotional lows coupled with strong negative thoughts could be an indication of a depressive disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder or OCD is a type of anxiety disorder characterized by excessive and repetitive behaviors that affect a patient's everyday life. When a patient has an unhealthy reliance on harmful substances such as prescription medication, alcohol, etc. in order to function on their daily lives, a substance dependency has developed. Any additional notes can be made within the General Notes button. Click on the Complete button to finalize the psychiatric portion of the consultation. Click on the Close button to exit the clinical case screen without saving. An attention pop-up will appear, stating that the appointments have not been saved. Click on the Cancel button to exit the clinical case screen. Click on the OK button to return to the diary screen without saving the changes made. Click on the Save and Close drop-up menu for more saving options. Click on the Save button to save the changes made without closing the form. Click on the Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information regarding macros, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save and Close button to save the general examination form and return to the diary screen.